All right, so Google has a new image generator out, and we have to talk about the name. It's called Nano Banana Pro.
It's certainly a choice. The internet came up with it as a joke, and Google just ran with it.
They really did. But that's our mission for this deep dive, isn't it? To see if there's serious game-changing technology for professionals hiding behind that ridiculous name.
Or if the flashy demos are masking some, critical limitations,
Right.
and especially the costs.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack this. Right from the get-go, what makes this model stand out from competitors, like a Midjourney or a Dill 3?
Well, the core thing, the biggest achievement here, is that it finally solves the text problem.
Oh, the garbled nonsense text problem.
That's the one. Remember when you'd ask for a simple sign and get something like Snoopy, Wood of the Year? Just complete gibberish. That's pretty much gone.
Nano Banana Pro is built on Gemini 3 Pro, and it delivers studio-quality visuals with actually legible paragraphs. Spelling's correct, kerning is right, it's clean. And this is where it gets really interesting for me, because it's not just about better English text.
No, not at all. This is the real structural shift. We're talking true multilingual capabilities.
So it can handle, what, Japanese, Arabic, German?
Dozens of languages, and it can render them correctly simultaneously in the same image.
So if you're running an international campaign, you can basically just skip a huge, expensive localization step.
You've got it. That's a massive budget item that just disappears. And the professional focus is, it's undeniable.
Beyond just the text.
Yeah, beyond the text. You can use prompts for precise photo controls, adjusting the focus, depth of field, color grading, all through prompts.
And what about character consistency? Keeping the same person in different shots.
It's significantly better. It's not quite a one-click magic wand yet. It still takes some serious prompt engineering, but it's a huge leap forward. It even connects to Google Search to pull in real-time info for things like infographics.
Okay, and then there's the massive strategic play, making it free for Adobe users.
Yep. Unlimited generations. If you have Photoshop or Firefly, it's free until December 1st. It's a huge grab for that whole design market.
Which, of course, raises the big question. If it's this good, what's the long-term cost?
And that is the critical knowledge gap for you, the listener. How do you budget for something when the pricing is so opaque?
Exactly. Free users get some kind of limited daily quota, but Google doesn't say what that limit is. After that, you're downgraded to the regular, less powerful model.
And it's the same for the paid subscribers. The quotas are also undisclosed.
So if you're in the middle of a big project, you can just hit a wall.
Yeah.
And then you're forced into an immediate, unplanned upgrade. It makes budgeting impossible.
But, and this is what's fascinating, the API pricing kind of gives the game away. It reveals the underlying costs.
Okay, so what does that tell us?
We know Google charges about $30 per million tokens. So doing the math, that works out to roughly 4 cents for a standard 1024 pixel image.
4 cents doesn't sound like a lot.
It doesn't on its own. But think about generating hundreds of product shots or iterating on a big branding campaign. That cost adds up, and it adds up really fast.
We should also mention the other practical limits. It's slower than the old model, isn't it?
It is. Gemini 3 Pro just needs more computational power. Plus, you still have watermarks on the free and pro tiers.
Which is a non-starter for any real commercial use. You have to upgrade.
You're pushed to the top-tier ultra subscription, basically. And then there's the hallucination danger. That search connection can just make things up. The sources pointed out it could generate a beautiful graphic with, say, completely wrong plant care instructions.
That's actually dangerous.
So tying it all together, what does this all mean? Nano Banana Pro has these superior technical features, especially that perfect text that competitors just don't have.
But the opaque quotas and the way those API costs can accumulate, it's a huge challenge for anyone trying to budget predictably at scale.
Exactly. The Adobe integration creates this powerful stickiness. It gets designers hooked, but that free tier is absolutely not unlimited professional use. It's a trial, plain and simple.
So I guess the final question you need to ask yourself is this. Does the convenience, the sheer brilliance of generating these complex text-heavy images directly inside of Photoshop,
does that justify navigating a pricing structure that forces you to upgrade without any transparent cost figures?
is that convenience worth giving up predictable, transparent costs?
Right.
That's the real trade-off.